GALA and the rest of the cryptocurrency market had a pretty boring Christmas and New Year, but something exciting is shaping up on the GALA chart. With news like this about crypto gaming, it's obvious to me that coins like GALA are due to have an enormous 2022. Whether that happens sooner or later, we're going to find out in today's chart analysis. So let's jump over to the GALA chart and see what GALA price predictions look like for today, because in my opinion it's looking really exciting. So make sure you stay around to the end of the episode to find out exact price predictions for GALA. So without further ado then, guys, obviously we had that huge blow off top for GALA, and we've come down and we've been consolidating for quite a period of time now, and literally in the last few hours or so we have sort of established yet again another piece of support for GALA. Now this was crucial for GALA because ultimately if it was unable to maintain this level of support, then it was going to be due to have one heck of a push to the downside, pushing all the way down to around 16 cents. But as you can see right now, it is holding this key line of support. This line of support, which is sat around 42 cents, but just above, we're currently sat at 43.6 cents. So a good couple of percent above the worry zone for GALA. But what I want to show you as well, as we look down at the RSI, is a nice clean W pattern. Now we have had a sort of a W pattern merging here, which is not so clean to see. What we really need to do right now is sort of establish ourselves and break this current neckline, which we're struggling to get just above right now. But if we do, I think we are going to start moving up towards this area here. And ultimately, if we're able to break out of here, guys, then we're looking at pretty substantial price targets for GALA price, in my opinion. But before we jump into that, I just wanted to use the Fibonacci to look at where our potential resistance zones might be on the way out. Now, obviously, we found support at this key level right now. Realistically, we need to be able to break 48 cents, which may take a little bit of time to emerge. Bearing in mind this is a 4-hour chart, and we've been in this pattern all the way since the 28th of November. But what is exciting about this pattern, in terms of a GALA price prediction, then we would take the height of this triangle pattern here, and we would bring it to a likely breakout position. Now you can see that pretty much would bring us to around the 0.786. Now I'm aware that that is not back towards all-time highs, but that does break us clearly out of this downtrend where we're beginning these lower highs each time, but maintaining the buying level at each point. But if we are able to break this all-time high previously at around 83 cents, then we are going to push to the 1.618, which will be up there at 1.13. And in terms of a percentage increase, then from current prices to the price target for this pattern, we're looking at 69%. And if we're able to continue and push on, the 1.618, which is typically the golden ratio and typically where we push to once we have completed these consolidation phases, would be up at 158%. Now, obviously, in terms of trading, personally, I opened a trade this morning when we were down at these levels, and I could see it was holding support around 0.425, with my stop loss being just under this previous low here at 0.40. Now, obviously, you can see we've got a huge risk to reward here because my target price ultimately is up here with sort of various take profits along the way, and that's what we should be looking to do, guys. Not getting emotionally involved with what we think might happen. If it does go against us, then it just cashes us out, no problem. Okay, all I want to do basically, guys, is to trade coins to make money. Don't get too emotionally hung up on how great you think the project is, etc. All it's about, guys, is how much people think something is worth, whether people are prepared to pay money for it or not, and that ultimately will always drive the price, no matter what anyone seems to think about it. So, guys, always do your own research. This is not financial advice. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, smash that subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.